Okay, so today we'll be opening up this used Fram Ultra oil filter, number XG8A. And I got this used Fram Ultra oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Brian Succolo from Baltimore, Maryland. Thanks, Brian. This oil filter was in service for 1 year, 3,004 miles, and came off of Brian's 1970 Ford Mustang. He upped it on with the 351 Cleveland V8 engine, which now has 140,904 miles. I want to add, he's owned this Mustang for 43 years, and he was using Pennzoil Z-Rod 10W30 high zinc formula synthetic oil during this period. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your end of here, filtration.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a look at the box, because Brian included the box with this filter. So right here, ultra synthetic, it says 2-ply synthetic metal screen reinforced. We got here 99% plus, and if we look over here, it's at particles greater than 20 microns. And right here, made in USA, and it's got 213 on the box. The date is 213 on this box. It's an old filter. They don't make them like this anymore. It's rated for 15,000 miles. And I couldn't find no date code on this filter, so we'll just take a quick look at the sticker here. This is a sticker. It's got the filter number. And right here, let's see, got 2014. So that's probably made in USA. That's probably about when this filter was made. Somewhere around there. Got 8 inlet holes, metal core with holes, bypass valve with the dome end, 3 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket. And I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. You can see where it got squished a little bit there. Okay, nice gasket. Alright, let's open this filter up, see what it looks like. There's a lot of oil still left, and I tried getting it out, but it didn't want to come out. Okay. Yeah, a lot of oil there. Okay, we'll just put that to the side. Alright, silicone drain back valve. Yeah, it looks nice. I don't see no slits in it or anything. No tears. Got nice and flexible. Yeah, it looks like it would hold. Well, it definitely held back good because we got all this oil in there, so it's definitely working. Okay, well, look at all that oil. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely working. Okay, well, got a metal crimp seam right here. I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. It's quite a bit of a gap here, but it doesn't really matter on this filter because it's got that metal screen backing on it. Got the metal end caps. It looks pretty clean. And I'm gonna do see, it's got this kind of it's like a softer material right here. So I'm going to try doing a bypass valve test on this to see if any light can go through there. Because this might make a better seal right there. So I'll have to check that out later. But yeah, this is dual layered synthetic media with a micron rating of 99% for particles greater than 20 microns. It's actually 99+% for particles greater than 20 microns. I don't know what that is. Probably something from the paint can itself, probably. Okay. Yeah, it's got a lot of oil in it. I can feel it's pretty heavy. Okay, bypass valve. And this got a setting of 12 psi. Looks nice, so got a nice curve to it. And the can, well, it's got a lot of oil in there. I'm going to drain that out, but actually I got a cup right here. Yeah, that's, I didn't realize there was that much oil in there. That's pretty clean in there. I'll put the measurements of this can up on the screen. It feels about average. Okay. All right, let's get the width of this filter. Okay. 4.16 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch for the end caps. All right, let me squeeze this filter out, stretch it out, see what it looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here's the filter all stretched out. And this Fram filter is 62 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. .25 millimeters thick. Pretty thick stuff. Okay, this is the filtering side. It's the back side. If we take a look at this under a microscope, you're not going to see it. It's pretty clean. It caught a few little things, but not too much. And you can see on the surface here, it's clean also. So let's take a look at that picture. Okay, so looking at the picture, you can see that it's pretty clean. And you can see that this is a 2-ply. Two-ply filter media, fully synthetic. Actually looks dirtier on the inside than it does on the outside. Yeah. And it has this metal screen backing. As you can see, it bends in it, keeps its shape, and it's metal. Yeah. So this is pretty strong stuff. It's got this all throughout the filter. Here it is right here. Now let's take a look at this filter up close. So you can see, like, there's only a few things, a few dirty spots here, but it's pretty clean on the surface. A few here. I don't see no sparklies. It's a little bit of carbon, that's all. So I'd say Brian's engine's running pretty clean for 3,000 miles. Not bad. A little bit here, here. Yeah, this is pretty clean. Now let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So like I showed earlier, we got all this metal screen backing that was on this filter. So there's no way this is going to tear. And we went over these components. Nice silicone anti-drain back valve. And we got the metal core with holes. They could actually put a few more holes in here, but it is what it is. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this Tuesday. You'll see a video out of me doing a flashlight bypass valve test on this filter. You can see that stays in there, really nice. It stays in there snug. So that's good. And the can, it's got a pretty thick can. It's pretty clean in there. I had it sitting like this. I don't know if I can touch any of this stuff, but Yeah, it doesn't feel like nothing, so it's nothing hard. Yeah, these old Fram Ultra filters were pretty good back in 10 years ago, 11 years ago, 12 years ago. I think they were better back then than they are now. So what do you guys think about this Fram Ultra filter? Please post your comments down below. And I also want to thank Brian for sending me this old used Fram Ultra oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.